Buenos días, buenas tardes, or buenas noches. In this video, I will show you very briefly how to get to the at-home tutor using a different platform because of our textbook is not working. So you will go to www.classzone.com. In here, you're going to select World Languages. You're going to select the state that we are living in, and then you're going to select Find Your Book. And the book that you're going to select is Avancemos Uno. And then you will find At Home Tutor. Okay, you'll click on the At Home Tutor, and it's going to bring you to this page. If you have any blockers on your computer, make sure that you allow for the Flash Adobe Player to play. And in here, you're going to write your name and your class period. So primera, segunda, tercera hora, segunda hora, tercera hora. And then you will choose the level. And I always tell you to start with a beginner if you have not mastered the vocabulary yet. Then you can go to average, and then you can go to challenge. But first we're going to start with the beginner. Then you're going to select Unidad 1, Lección 2. And we're going to start with Vocabulario, Práctica. Now, if you are a chico, all of your adjectives will be masculine. If you are identified as a chica, all your adjectives will be feminine. Okay? When you are finished, you're going to click Answer to make sure that all of them are correct. Spelling does count. Okay, then you're going to go to the second activity and do what you need to do. The instructions are here. You're going to click Answer, then go to the third one, do the same, fourth, fifth. When you are finished, you will go to the second level and do the same. So you should have 10 activities total. And if you had completed all of this, you can do level C. And if you are in the honors and gifted class, level B and level C will be the ones that I would like for you to do because those are more challenging. And if you do level A, then that is extra credit. Okay? Now, when you are finished with your session, you're going to click on Session Report, and then you'll click here to email this summary. And you are going to type in my email address, and that will be silvia.mindrescu at, and if I can find my at symbol, at gcpsk12.org. Okay, so that is my email address. If you want to write your email, just in case I do not receive it, you will have a copy in your email and you can forward it to me if something happens. And then you will click Submit, and I will get your report this way. If you have any questions, just let me know. Hasta luego.